So if you wonder what is something that maybe is less than pleasant for a home cleaning, commercial cleaning company business owner, it's in his own house. Speaker grills. Those aren't pretty white. You can look over here at that light, nice and pretty white. Pink Power Cleaning, Pest Control, Pink Power brands, giving people the gift of a clean home, clean space, pest-free, Pink Power. So I'm Caleb, and I'm going to show you guys today how I'm going to take care of this. So this right here is kind of like a magic eraser, or a different type of substance like it. It's in that family. So I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to clean this just by doing it on my own right now. So I have the magic eraser. I have the Pink Power microfiber towel. So this will help wipe up stuff. Something I will be really careful about this up here is that I want to watch out that I don't drop the towel, number one, but also I want to be careful not to actually hit the ceiling because I don't really want to have to repaint the ceiling in here. That's not my goal today. So if it's one of those things that it doesn't really work out too much, I'll let you guys know. Don't try it. But if it is something that works out phenomenal, I'll let you know. So I did get this slightly damp, just a little bit of wet on it. And then I'm going to work it around. So I do see, I don't know if I see any black. I do see some dark stuff, but not much. So with this, what I'm doing right now is I'm just working my way around the outside of the grill. Let's get a little bit of the inside too. These speakers are about 20 years old, so I don't know. In the beginning, maybe they were this cream color. Maybe they're not supposed to come any color different. I don't know. We're going to experiment. We're just seeing. As I do this, though, I'm carefully just trying to work around the outside edges. Again, being very cautious to try to avoid hitting the ceiling. What I am noticing a little bit is that that's an impossibility, it seems. So with this, you want to be careful for your ceiling. And it seems like, I'm not sure. Jacob, does it look like we made a color change on this, or is it still pretty much identical to that one over there?
It may be slightly different, but barely.
Yeah. I think with this, the speaker grills, if you don't know the original colors of it, I would suggest just going ahead and keeping it with the way it was. So something I'm going to do is this will leave a little bit of residue on the speaker. So I'm going to take the microfiber towel that's nice and clean, and I'm going to go ahead and just wipe it again. Want to make sure that I don't put anything on the ceiling. And so we just simply wipe it around. So just keep going in the circle, wiping it around. I'm going to go ahead and get that center, polish it a little bit. And so what we found out with this is that with these, if you don't know what color it was originally, you don't necessarily know if something is stained or if it's a big thing. So if you don't know the color in the beginning, what I would suggest is test it out. See, before you put a lot of energy, a lot of effort into it. And so that way later on, if it still does pester me, I can decide, I'd rather paint the outside of this. It's a very specific, very careful thing that I need to do if I do it that way. Yeah, so with this, I found out that the speaker, this is the color that they came. They're not stained. They're not messed up at all. So that's awesome. And something that you can see in life is when you try stuff out, stuff that might be bothering you in your house about what's going on, experiment in little ways. It reminds me a lot of when we're testing out products, what it says is to go ahead, try it in an area that it's not visible, it's a safe spot. So you can see if what you're going to do makes a big impact or if you're making a decision in the wrong way. It's just like in life. As you do stuff, test things out in a small way. You'll find out in a great little bit of an area if it's something that really works. If it does give you a proof of concept, push in, pursue it, complete it, get that process, get that thing going, getting the system going is really awesome. That's what I love about in life, is that we get to test things out, see which way, if it is something that can do better, or if it's something that we really even care about doing. Because I do realize something I really could do is bring up a paintbrush and kind of paint this out just on the white plastic around here. Not sure if I care to. But next up, in the next little bit, I'm actually going to be changing out some of these light bulbs. One of them went out in the corner over there. You guys probably can't see it, which is really good. And so I'm just going to be changing out my light bulbs. And it is awesome testing out things to figure out what works and what succeeds and what makes a great impact, because we want to do things that make a great impact in your life and in your thing. And yeah, be around people that encourage you to test things out, be willing to fail, succeed, make the wrong decisions, make the right decisions, keep making the right decisions, learn off what you do wrong, and continuously grow it. That's what I really love about life, is that it's a process. We can make those decisions, such as this. I didn't know how it would turn out. I wanted to show you guys, though, a realistic example of something that I tried to do. And yeah, I didn't know like how it would totally work out. But it's pretty awesome. It looks good. It's always looked good. And yeah, it's not dirty. It's not messy. It's not stained. It came as this beautiful yellow. And so that's really awesome in life. We get to find out sometimes in life, when we test things out, how things will be, what the best is, and if we really care about it, what options we want to maybe do to change it. But I think I really like these with the way that they are. I don't think I'm going to change its color. I think I'm going to keep it just as it is, because these look really good. They're really great speakers. I love having them in my living room. And the wife really enjoys listening to country music or different things on it at times. So thank you guys for watching. I'm Caleb Pierce, Pink Power Cleaning, Pink Power Pest Control, Pink Power Brands, part of the Pierce family brands empire. So in Troy, Ohio, if you know someone, you know, the Pierce family brands might actually have someone in our group that can help you achieve what you want to achieve. So thank you guys for watching. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. And yeah, enjoy and have a great day.